everybody, and today we're going to do a review on the Names Bits cookies. If you have not seen my unboxing video of these, go check it out. But here we go. First impressions, it's a nice container. It's plastic, but it feels like glass, and the bow is pretty nice. So let's crack this thing open. I think the bow's fake, so I'm just gonna cut the back of the bow. I think it's glued. The bow's glued together or something, so it doesn't come undone. And packaging. Yeah, it's glued. But this thing is pretty hard to open. It's off camera right now, but you guys should know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to open this thing. I'm just going to cut the bottom. That might be better. Holy cow, this is really hard to open. So yeah, first impressions, this is really difficult to open. If it's even possible to open. Yeah, well, off camera, you should know what I'm doing. I just told you what I'm doing like a million times. Oh, I can just slip this thing off. I am really dumb. I'm sorry, I just woke up. But, yeah, so, let's crack this open. Okay, sorry. I thought my camera was not recording. Okay, first impressions. It smells kind of like a chocolate protein shake, if you've ever had one of those. Or just smelt the powder. It smells so good though. So, I'm so excited. They're really small, they're crumbly. So let's try it out. Let's get a whole one. This guy. Oh my god. These are the best things ever. Holy cow. I need them all. Don't touch my cookies. Don't touch my cookies. But, oh my god. These are really good. It tastes very buttery. They're super rich. They're really, like, fresh. They're extremely fresh. So good. Oh my god. So, these are extremely good. Out of 10, I would give this a 10, a solid 10. This is amazing. Oh my god. I got shocked at these. Thank you for watching the Names Bits Cookies review. Check out all my other videos. Out of 10, I would give this a solid 10. It's delicious. It smells like chocolate protein powder, but that still smells pretty good. These are the best cookies I've ever had. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. See you guys the next time. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.